Let us see in this video how to register the credit note for charging revenue and expense. A credit note for expense is used to record a reduction, R, reversal of an expense that was previously booked. This typically occurs when a supplier issues a refund, discount, R, correction against an earlier expense entry, R, invoice. In the ERP system, registering a credit note for expense ensures that the financial record reflects the correction, payable amount, and updated expense total. This helps maintain accurate accounts and prevents overstatement of expense. Let us take one example. Party name as Smart Life Cycle and Traders. Type as expense. GL account as advertisement expense. Amount 80,000. HSN R. SAC code 99854000. Tax rate as 18%. This slide shows credit note workflow approval process, which consists of two-level reviewing and approving. First and foremost, after entry is given by the creator, the document will get forwarded to the supervisor. In order to review the document, one supervisor reviewed the document will forward it to the manager, who has action to approve. So, manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow would be. Let us log in with username and password of creator's login. To create credit note for charging expense and revenue, click on Login button. Click on Financials. Click on Transaction, click on Party Document, navigating to the credit note screen. To create a credit note for charging expense and revenue purpose, click on the Add button. The default location ID will get updated automatically. If required, you can change the location ID. The unit field will also update automatically based on the location mapping. Under the Type option, the following choices are available. Credit Note Deviation, Credit Note Others, Credit Note Sales Return, Credit Note Supplementary Invoice. Credit Note Deviation is used when there is a price difference, quality deviation, ER discount adjustment between the original invoice and the final agreed terms. This type helps in correcting any commercial deviation without affecting the GST component. Credit Note Others is used for general adjustments not covered under specific categories such as sales return, ER, deviation, for example, promotion discount, post-sales correction, ER, any non-standard adjustments. Credit Note Sales Return is issued when the customer returns goods after sale. This note helps to reverse the sales value of the returned goods, updating both inventory and accounts. Credit Note Supplementary Invoice is used for additional credit issued after the original invoice, for example, price correction, missed discount, R, post-invoice changes. This ensures that the invoice value reflects the final transaction terms. Credit Note Others document prefix will get updated automatically. Document date field, choose the date through date calendar. Choose the party name. Default currency will get updated automatically. If required, we can change party's allowed currency. Goods type will be updated as without goods. Click on Save button. Document has been generated. Document has been created. Location ID, unit, credit note, document prefix, document number, document date, credit note prefix, credit note date, type, and party details will get updated. Choose the reason for the credit note. Save the document. Click on Add button to add the expense. Choose the expense and type. Choose the GL account description. Choose the CPC description. Enter the amount and unit price. Choose the HSN R SAC code. Tax rate will get updated based on HSN R SAC code. Based on location detail, if it is interstate, IGST amount will get updated. If it is intrastate, CGST amount and SGST amount will get updated. Click on Save button. click on Create Invoice Number. Credit note number will get generated. Click on Update Narration. Narration will get generated. If required, we can edit the narration. Click on Create Journal checkbox. Journal will get created. To review the journal, click on View Journal button. Expense account will get debited. Tax account will get debited. Party account will get credited. To forward the document to the reviewer, click on Post button. Click OK. Document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigating to the reviewer's login. Click on Login button. Navigating to the approval screen. To review the document, click on Detail button. Once document has been reviewed, click on Select. Click on Process. Click on Forward. Choose the forward person. Click on Process. Document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigating to the manager's login. Click on Login button. Navigating to the approval screen. To review the document, click on Detail button. Once document has been reviewed, select the document. Click on Process. Click on Approve. Click on Process. Document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.